Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to make cool looking branches for your tanks and for your dioramas. For this project I use asparagus plant. Next I remove unwanted parts of the branch. After that I remove leaves. It's very easy to remove them. Next I airbrush whole branch with flat brown from Tamiya. After that I paint whole branch with black-green. I dilute the paint with water in proportion 1 drop of paint and 2 drops of water. When the paint is dry, repeat same process with flat green. To make leaves, you need to find a couple of real ones. After that you need to make them dry and straight. I hold them in book for 3 days. To make actual leaves, I use hole punch from Green Stuff World. It's better to use real leaves because nothing is more realistic than an actual leaf. I use Vicol glue to connect leaves with branches. Few leaves left and the branch is done. If my video was helpful for you, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.